All right, so this is the room tab. It often gets overlooked for its importance, and one thing that you absolutely need to do for the pack closet library is change this from default to pack closets. And you want to do that before you draw the job, otherwise things are going to get a little bit wonky. But if you notice yourself bringing sections out and they're not coming out the size you expect them to, which should be 14 inches, then you definitely don't have this selected. What this is doing is it's making sure all of your depths are coming in automatically at 14 or the inch equivalent of 356 millimeters. I'll do a little video on using millimeters or inches just so you can become a little more comfortable with this concept. I swap back and forth just because that's what I like to do. So the heights are actually important in here. So this is going to just be your room wall. So feel free to change this to whatever height the room is, and your cabinet sections will still come out the same. When we are drawing a room, you can still draw left to right. Nothing has changed from normal mosaic. This is, you know, the way of mosaic. I'll right click, and now I have my walls. Other than that, there's really nothing else to talk about. But if you're having issues, it's because of this right here.